we will study F-test. What is F-test? What is the use of F-test? F-test is a statistical test which follows a F distribution. And the uses of F-test. F-test used by compare the variance of samples and compare the means of 3 or more samples. But here we studied compare the variance of samples only. Here we used F-test for compare the variance of samples. So here we have a one statistic, F statistic or F calculated value. That is n1 is 1 square divided by n1 minus 1 whole divided by n2 is 2 square divided by n2 minus 1. n1 is number of samples or size of sample. N2 is size of sample of first samples. Second size of samples, second samples, size of second samples. First, second. S1 is a variance of first sample. S2 is a variance of second sample. So we get one F statistic. Similarly, you take a degree of freedom. Here in the case of F test, degree of freedom is n1 minus 1, n2 minus 1. n1, what is the size of first sample? That you take and you take n1 minus 1. Second size n2 minus 1. So n1 is 5, n2 is 10. You get 5 minus 1, 4, 9. The F in the case of F distribution or F test, degree of sample is a pair. n1 minus 1, n2 minus 1. And you take a level of significance. Level of significance you usually take 0.05 or in the given question have given in that level of significance you take. And corresponding degree of freedom and level of significance, degree of freedom and level of significance and degree of freedom, you get one value. That value is a tabled value. Then calculated value less than tabled value. Calculated value less than tabled value. Then we conclude our hypothesis is accepted. We take null hypothesis. H naught is there is no difference between variance. There is no difference between variance. Okay. So, calculated value less than tabled value, you can conclude there is no difference between variance. Okay.